Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 8th of June 2024. I'll be going over week 24 or week 25's testing results for the SPY front testing strategy, the day open, day close strategy. So without further ado, let's just get into these results. So the week started on the 3rd of June 2024, where we initially made a 0.232% loss. Next, on the 4th, we had a sell signal. We made another small loss of 0.368%. Next, we had a big profit here at 0.731%. That increased our cumulative portfolio return to 8.179%. However, our alpha went down significantly to minus 3.575%. Next, on the 6th, we had another buy signal where we made a small loss of 0.062%. And on the final day, on the 7th, we made another loss off of sell signal at 0.067%. And we ended the week with a cumulative portfolio return of 8.05% and an alpha of negative 3.58%. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.